You don't need to learn coding to make money with AI. You don't need to build an app. You don't need to write Python codes. And you certainly do not need to have a computer science degree. Yet, every day, ordinary people are making money using AI. So, what is the difference? One skill. The people making money understand it. The people spending months watching tutorials don't. Today, I will show you exactly how I would enter AI if I were starting from scratch in this 2026. My name is Pat. Let's get started. We are going to divide this discussion into three phases, and we are starting from the phase 1 immediately, which is find where AI needs you. Because the biggest mistake most people make is they start with tools. That is a backward point to start with. You don't start with tools. You want to learn this AI tool, you want to learn the other one. No, do not start with tools, start with problems. Business don't wake up looking for ChatGPT experts. They wake up looking for someone who can save time, money, or stress. Think about it. A business owner doesn't care whether you use ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. They only care that the work gets done. Today, banks, schools, marketing agencies, and small businesses are already using AI. Don't you know? Many of them don't need programmers. They need people who can use AI to improve their businesses. That is your opportunity. So, my dear friend, don't chase AI. Chase problems that AI can help you solve. Now, in phase 2, learn one tool really well. Yes, just pick one AI tool and learn it very well. I don't really mean you don't use different AI for different things. In fact, I have done a video that shows my AI use cases. You can find the video. It is a short video. You can find it in this channel. But now that you have found a problem worth solving, pick one AI tool. Just one. This is where many people get distracted. Today, it is ChatGPT. Tomorrow, it is Claude. Next week, another AI tool starts trending. Boom! They jump in and start testing and trying. But never become good at any of them. They never become good. For me, I recommend learning one tool deeply. Learn it very well, understand it. But you may think, what is there to learn again? If I now ask you, do you know how to connect your ChatGPT with another application like Canva or Grammarly? You will be looking at me. Okay, I know some of you know that, but do you know how to create a ChatGPT skills or Claude skills? So these are some of the things that are still there for you to learn. So learn and master one. You need to understand how to write better prompts. Learn how to organize your conversations. Build workflows you can repeat again and again. This is the skill that I was telling you about. That is what people actually pay for. For example, in my own case, I use AI to help me analyze research data. I also use it to design landing page and write content. Sometimes AI help me to automate part of my work. This is not because AI does everything for me. No, but because I know how to direct it in order to help me. Do you understand? It helped me to speed up my time, speed up my work, because I am not competing with AI. There's no way I can do faster than AI. So what I need to do is to direct it and it will do the job for me. At the end of the day, I will vet whatever it has done. If you have gotten to this far, you are serious about building an AI career. And I will tell you the truth. If you continue like this, you are going to make it. Please subscribe to this channel because every week I share practical ways to stay relevant and make money with technology. Okay? Now let's continue. In phase 3, which is the last part of this video, show your skills and get paid. Yes, show your skills. Here is another mistake people make. They keep learning, but nobody knows what they can do. See, don't wait until you feel perfect. Nobody is perfect. Start showing your work. Solve real problems. Share before and after examples. Let people see the initial stage, the former stage, and the after, the results. Post them. Post your AI project on LinkedIn. Share them on your WhatsApp status. Create a simple portfolio. I will never stop saying this. Create a simple portfolio to share your work. Record your wins. If you don't know how to create a portfolio, I did that video in the other channel, my first channel. You will see how to create a portfolio using Claude. Even from your CV, you can create it. The video is there. If you don't know the channel, just scroll down to this channel, the homepage of this channel. You will see the link to my first channel. From there, you search for that video. You don't need 10 certificates. You need proof that you can solve problems. Remember, clients don't pay for prompts. They don't pay for ChatGPT. They don't even pay for AI. They pay for results. Show them results. The faster you understand that, the faster you will find clients. Rounding up, you don't need a tech degree to enter AI. You don't need to become a programmer. You simply need to understand business problems. Just learn one AI tool very well and consistently solve real problems. That is how people are getting paid today. Right now, I would like to hear from you. If you are starting today, what industry will you use AI to improve first? Leave your answer in the comment section. And if you are wondering whether your current job is actually safe from AI, watch this video on Is Your Job Safe from AI? I audited my own career first. The link is right below. You will also find below the link to our Telegram group. Please go and join us so that you stay updated. I remain Uncle Pat. Kindly subscribe and like this video in order to support me. I will see you on the next one. Keep winning.